करो ना।
है नहीं ना, बच्चे ही नहीं है
तो महंगे क्यों सीखने के लिए।
Good morning, all of you. Today's topic is atomic number and mass number. Concept of atomic number and mass number. Okay, the number of unique positive charge carried by the nucleus of an atom is termed as atomic number. Atomic number is equal to the positive charge carried by the nucleus. And this positively charged numbers are known as proton. It means this are equal to the number of proton present in the nucleus. And we all know that the number of electron and number of protons are same and equal. So we can say that the atomic number is equal to the number of proton, and these are also equal to the number of electron. Positive charge particle and negatively charged particles are equal in an atom, and the number of atomic number is equal to the number of proton or number of electrons. So we can say the atomic number is equal to the number of proton, and number of proton is equal to the number of electrons. See the atomic structure of atom, and it is, see, the nucleus present at the center of the atom. An electron moves around the shells or orbit. This is nucleus. Nucleus carried number of proton and number of neutron. These number of proton plus proton and number of electron, number of neutron, sorry, are collectively known as nucleons. And this is nucleus. Electron moves around the nucleus, and they are negatively charged particles. This is the structure of atom. Only electrons take part in the chemical reactions, but neutrons and protons do not take part in the chemical reactions. Nucleus do not take part in reaction. So we are at the atomic structure, and only the electron take part in the chemical reactions, but nucleus do not take part in the chemical reaction. Nucleus means number of electron and number of protons, they do not take part in chemical reactions. The nucleus of an atom consists of proton and neutrons and these are collectively known as nucleons. These are known as nucleons. Electrons have negligible mass. The mass of electron is negligible. So the whole mass of an atom is due to the nucleus only. The mass of atom is due to the nucleus only. Hello. Mass number. Mass number is represented by A. Mass number is equal to the number of proton plus number of neutron. Mass number is a number, the sum of protons and neutrons is known as mass number. Calculation based on the mass number and atomic number. We have three things. Number of proton is equal to the number of proton is equal to the number of electrons, and atomic number is also equal to the number of proton, but the mass number is the sum of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus. If an atom has atomic number A, the atomic mass is A and atomic number is Z, we can find the number of electron, protons and neutrons. The number of electron is equal to the Z, number of proton is equal to the Z, it means number of atomic number. It is also equal to the number of proton is equal to the atomic number, and mass number is sum of proton and neutron. Sum of protons and neutrons. If we find the number of neutron, what we have to do? Number of neutrons equal to the mass number minus number of proton. We can calculate the number of neutrons on subtracting the number of proton from the mass number. We get the number of neutrons. Have a look at the example. Lithium has the example. Lithium atomic number is equal to 3, proton is, and mass number A equal to 7. We have to find the number of electron, number of protons, and number of neutrons. So number of proton is 3 because the number of proton and number of atomic number are the same. Then number of electron is also equal to the number of proton or atomic number. Then number of neutrons is equal to mass number minus number of proton. It means A minus number of proton. A minus Z equal to the number of proton. And we are having the atomic mass of a lithium is 7 and atomic number is 3. The number of proton is 4. Sorry, number of neutrons are 4. How to write this atomic number and mass number? First, generally an atom represented by its symbol for the element. First, we have to know the symbol of element. After that, atomic number is written on the lower side. Atomic number equal to 3 and mass number is 7. How to write? First we have to write the symbol. Then the atomic number. We write atomic number at the lower side of the symbol. And the mass number we write at the top of the symbol. We can write it here. This is mass number. Written on the upper side. Mass number is written on the upper side and the atomic number written at the lower side of the symbol. One more example. Have a look at the sodium. Sodium has the atomic number 11 and mass number is 23. Sodium. Mass number equal to A and it is 23. Atomic number is 11. The symbol of sodium is Na. Then how to write atomic number, mass number and symbol? First we have to write symbol, then at the lower side of the symbol we have to write the atomic number and the upper side of the symbol we have to write the atomic mass. This is the pattern to write the symbol with atomic number and mass number. This is all about the calculation and representation of symbol, atomic number and mass number. From this we can find the number of proton, number of electron and number of neutron. Number of electron in sodium is also 11. Number of proton is 11. But number of proton we find by subtracting the 11 atomic number from the mass number. Like this. 23 minus 11 equal to we get 12. The 12 is the number of neutron. This is all about the symbol and representation of atomic number and mass number with its symbol. Isotopes and isobars. Now the another things is coming here is isotopes. Isotopes. In isotopes, atoms of the same element having the same atomic number but the different mass number. They have same atomic number but different mass number. It means number of neutrons is different in both the atoms. See, 17 chlorine 35 and 17 chlorine 37. The atomic number is same. It means number of electron and number of proton are also same. Number of electron is 17, number of proton is 17, atomic number is also 17. But the number of neutron equal to A minus Z. A is 35 and Z is atomic number. From this we can find the number of neutron is 18 in this. But in 37, number of neutron is 20. So we can say that in a thing in which atomic number are the same and the atomic mass of atom is different, then these atoms are known as isotopes. These are known as isotopes. The thing is isobar. The another thing is isobar. In isobar, atomic numbers are different but the mass number is same. Isobars. Atomic number are different but mass number is same. See, atomic number are different and mass number is same. Here is an example of organ 40 and it is 18, and calcium 40 and 20. The atomic mass is same 40 and 40 and the atomic numbers are different. In argon it is 18 and in calcium it is 20. So the number of neutron is also different in both the element. Here the element is also different. Element is also different. In that, in isotopes, the same element having the different mass number. But in this case, the having the same mass number with different elements. These are known as isobars. Isobars have different number of electrons, protons as well as neutrons. They are having the different protons, neutrons and electrons. In In organ, it is having 18 electrons, 18 protons, and 18 is the atomic number. But in calcium, they are having 20 electrons, 20 protons, and 20 and is the atomic number. And number of neutron equal to A minus Z. A is 40 minus 18 equal to 22 in organ. But in calcium, it is 40 minus 20. So the number of neutron in organ is 22 and number of neutrons in calcium is 20. This is the isobars. One more term is coming here. It is isotones. Isotones. In this, isotones are the atoms of different element having same number of neutrons. In this case, they are having same number of neutrons. Same number of neutrons. Example is C6, S12 and N. Nitrogen having the same number of neutron in carbon. Equal to A minus Z, atomic mass minus atomic number. It is 13 minus 6 equal to 7. But in atom number of neutrons, in nitrogen equal to A minus Z. It is 14 minus 7 equal to 7. So the number of neutron in nitrogen and number of neutron in carbon are the same. This type of atom are known as isotones. Since both contains the same number of neutrons, hence are known as isotones. Mass number and atomic number. The protons and neutrons in the nucleus of the atom constitute the mass number of an atom. A is the symbol of mass number. We all know this. Mass number means sum of number of protons and neutrons are known as mass number. Here is example. An atom X has 7 electron and 7 neutron. 7 electron and 7 neutron. Number of neutron is 7. Okay, we will see this in our next class. Mass number Sachi. Okay, the time is over now. I have to leave. See this recorded meeting in Moodle app. Yes.